Zdravo, Jambo, Salut. Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some very powerful beauty tips on how you can instantly become more attractive. Now, I do want to say beauty does come on the inside and there's so much other than outer appearance that makes you beautiful, but since you guys have been requesting aesthetic tips, I'm going to show you how to physically make yourself instantly more attractive. Alright my loves, so the first step to becoming instantly more attractive is smelling good. And before I get into all the beauty hacks other than smell, I did want to show you guys my current perfumes that I just got a big order of. And there are so many psychological studies that prove scent is linked to attraction. So the better you smell, the more attractive you become, which is why perfume is so important. And if you guys want me to do a favorite perfumes video, I will, but the one I'm showing you now is a discovery box, so I pretty much got a bunch of different samples and sizes so I can test out which one works best for my natural skin. That goes with your natural oils and things like that, and they do use all organic ingredients straight from Paris, so you know they're really good quality. And I'll leave the Sylvaine Delacourte link down below. Now that we got the importance of smell out of the way, it's time to talk about these beauty hacks that will make you instantly more attractive. So first up is eyebrows. Eyebrows have such power over the face and they can really make or break the way that your face shape looks, complementing your eyes, your facial structure, etc. So you can always go to a professional for your brows, but if you want to do it at home, there are secrets to make your eyebrows look more even and really change the way that your face appears and looks. So let me break down how. So you want to take a straight pencil and go up along the bridge of your nose. That will show you where your brows should start, whether there's hair there or not. Then you want to take it diagonally from your nostril, kind of in the middle of your eye, and that will show you where your highest point of the brow should be, known as your arch. Then you want to go in the corner of your eyes diagonally, and that will show you where your brows should end. When it comes to filling the brows, depending on your facial structure, there are many different ways to do it. Don't worry if you don't know what that shape is for you. It took me years to figure out, so I know the struggle, which is why if you go to my website linked below and type your email in, I will personally send you the perfect brow shape for your facial structure. My loves, now it's time for the second tip, which is the lips. Lips are known to make someone extremely attractive, and you want to just make sure that they're super soft and plush. So lip balm is amazing for this. I'll leave all my favorite balms that work wonders on my lips below. And as far as shape, defining your shape with a little bit of lip liner can work like magic. There are so many studies that show when someone focuses in on your lips, it can become extremely attractive as the focal point of the face, which is why a little definition goes a long way. Now it's time for your teeth and your smile. If you're looking to get whiter teeth naturally, I do have a video on that in the description down below. But smiles are known globally to be one of the most attractive features on a person. It doesn't matter the type of smile you have, the type of teeth you have, as long as you smile. Now, for comparing purposes, I'm going to show you a smile versus this resting bitch face, and you can see how much more attractive smiling is. It lights up your face, it makes you look approachable and so beautiful no matter what you look like. Also, that ties into smile is fresh breath. Having minty smelling breath is always attractive. Now we all know the power of eyes, whether it's eye contact or drawing attention to your eyes by putting on lashes, mascara, maybe just choosing eyeliner, whatever you want to do to draw attention to your eyes. Sometimes you don't need anything on them, it's whatever makes you feel the most confident. Also, don't be afraid to make eye contact, it's extremely attractive. Alright my loves, that was my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment below something nice and positive for a shout out, and hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you never miss a video, because you know how YouTube is. Also, I have an ebook which will be linked down below as soon as it goes live, so keep checking my descriptions. I love you all so much, and I'll see you soon for a new video this week.